Greetings, cryptocurrency lovers. I'm Emrata. Today, I want to make 3 videos about new Binance listings. Now, our first coin, Raydium coin, Raydium token. You can get information on Binance research page website. Now, I want to give a little information about our website, Cryptocurrency USA and Canada. This website, worldwide website. If you want to get information about cryptocurrencies, best coins, you can get information on our website. If you want 20% discount commission code for Binance lifetime worker, you can click this link. Now, how to open Binance account, Binance Global? We can click this link, okay? And we came this page. Add your email and password and click create account. But don't forget please add this code on your create Binance account page. This is 20% commission kickback code. Yes. Now we opened Binance account, and now how we can add money to our Binance account. Yes, we came here, UCD, credit with debit card. Now, we need Tether firstly. We select Tether, USDT, and 2000. In this way, we can buy 1000 to almost 2000 USDT. Okay, we can click continue. We can add our debit card or bank card information here, and we click continue again. That our money came, our money on our Binance account. Okay, available. Now, how to buy Ray coin? We need to click market in here. Yes, and write Ray. Click fiat. Yes, and there is, you see, Ray USDT. We click it. On this page, red color sellers, green color buyers, my friends. Now, we have 2000 USDT Tether, okay? We click this for buying, and we click this area, okay? This section. With 2000 USDT, we can buy this Ray, almost 500. Yes, click buy and you can buy. It's so easy. Now, how to sell your Ray coin? We have this. Yes, and we can select price, sample. Yes, yes, we can click this sell. Just this, or friends. If you want more information about best cryptocurrencies, you can check our website. Please open your YouTube notifications, and please check our website every day. You can follow us on Telegram or Google News in internet.